Hey guys, so here is one of the most awaited announcements by Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. Just a few moments back, they have announced your result for the CA intermediate examinations held in May 2022 exams. Those were held and the result is going to be announced on 21st of July. That is Thursday, and same can be accessed by the candidates on the website icai.nic.in. So this was the most awaited one since the last few days. Many students have been asking me that, sir, when is the result coming? When is the result coming? So here is the official announcement by ICAI that your results will be declared on 21st of July. Sir, what about the timings? The timings are totally unpredictable. Like for CA final, they announced the result early morning at 7:45, and I don't know what is going to be there for CA intermediate. They might announce at the same time, that is early morning. They don't want people to wait for a long time. They want people to have a good breakfast, right? After seeing the results, they want people to have some good breakfast and relax the whole day. Right, so guys, tell me in the comment section who all are awaiting their result, who all are really excited, and who all really think that for the next 2 days they are going to have the sleepless nights. Just 2 days. On 21st of July is the day for you people, and I think nothing to worry as such. Whatever the results are, you have to accept it with both the hands and move ahead with whatever the results you get. I hope all of you get the positive results. Do tell me in the comment section, all those who are awaiting their results, all those who have studied from us, studied from KSJ Teaching, who are awaiting the results. And guys, do not forget to share your result on 21st of July. As soon as you get the your result, right, do share with us through email, through Telegram, through WhatsApp, everything. Right, wherever it is possible for you people, do not forget to share. Please do share your results, whether it is positive or negative. I'm not saying that you have to share only the positive results. Do call us for even if you are not able to clear, right? But do share your results. Okay, so guys, all the best for 21st of July. Looking forward to it, and I will definitely be having some interaction with you on 21st of July also. All the best guys, have a good day. All the best, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you so much.